Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with safety and adhesion control. Park, set the brake, and work on cool glass. You avoid stress on the windshield. First, warm the suction cup or adhesive for roughly 20-30 seconds with a hair dryer to soften the seal. This reduces suction and glue strength. While the surface is warming, prepare a thin plastic pry tool, a length of dental floss, isopropyl alcohol, and a soft lint-free cloth so you can move directly to gentle separation. Once softened, start loosening one edge of the suction or adhesive pad. You should gently wedge a plastic pry tool under the lip and lift a little, then slide dental floss behind the pad and saw back and forth while pulling outward. This severs the adhesive evenly. Keep the tool at a shallow angle to protect the glass and reapply heat if you hit stubborn spots. Make sure to take your time so you don't crack the windshield or tear the mount unevenly. You're finishing by removing residue and restoring a clean surface. After the mount comes off, apply isopropyl alcohol or a commercial adhesive remover to a cloth and rub until the glass is clear. This prevents streaking and future mounting issues. If a suction hub stays stubborn, press its center to release any vacuum, then lift an edge and pull gently. If you encounter a chip, deep gouge, or persistent adhesive that won't budge, pause and see.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.